What is up, party people? My name is Darrel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Peepso plugin. What is the Peepso plugin? Well, if you're using BuddyPress or BBPress, you might want to watch this video. Now, the Peepso plugin is probably WordPress's best solution for creating a social networking website for WordPress. Now, I'm not talking about making the next Facebook, but I am talking about making a lot of communities or making a community for your specific niche. In fact, my current website, WP Friends, is built off the Peepso plugin. Now the Peepso plugin, it just gives a lot of functionality. You can upload videos, you can upload audio, videos, you can have polls, you can have like latest members, just like Facebook. In fact, this is very similar to Facebook where it has the potential power to do everything Facebook can. In fact, I can message anybody I want over here. I can message someone and say, hey, how are you? And we can have a live chat conversation just like Facebook Messenger. And I got to be very honest, I wanted to build a social networking website, and I looked at BuddyPress and BBPress. But when I looked at BuddyPress and BBPress, to me, I just felt that it was just very bland, very ugly, and very old, and I did a lot of work, extensive research, to really find out what was probably one of the best solutions for creating a social networking website. And when I came across the Peepso plugin, it was by far the best. Now, let's just go ahead and talk about what the plugin actually comes with, and then I'll kind of talk to you about all the features. It does have a free version as well, and the free version, recently they added 4 new plugins inside of it, all for free. Now they recently had those, I guess you can say, separate, so they had separate plugins, but the Peepso base plugin now actually has the blog post. You can put hashtags, all sorts of really cool stuff, so it's really cool. So my website is built off the Peepso plugin, and I'm using actually the Ultimate Bundle. Now I'm not using all of the plugins that come with it. There are a lot of plugins that come with the Ultimate Bundle that you might or might not need. So this right here is the free one right here. Now the free one, it's enough for you to get started. So it comes with various features. It comes with avatars. You can see customizable profiles, profile settings, profile likes. It's fully responsive. Scrolling down here, you have custom profile fields. And what I like about this is that it forces users to actually fill out their information before they start posting on your website. And I like that because, first off, they're not some spam robot, some sex robot or whatever, and it's a real person filling it out. So it reduces the amount of spam. And also you get this really beautiful activity stream. I mean, look at that activity stream. I mean, by far, it's way more better than BBPress, BuddyPress, and any other social networking solution out there. And, this actually powers almost 3,000 different networks out there. So a lot of people are using this plugin, and I think they're using it because probably it's way better. It's probably the best solution for social networking out there. Right here, you get different reactions. People can, just like Facebook. It's just like Facebook where people can comment and stuff like that. And there's also hashtags. Now, personally, I hate hashtags. I just, when I see people like, oh, hashtag WordPress or hashtag this, it's, to me, I'm just like, dude, you're so immature. But people out there still use it. And I actually disabled it on my website, but that doesn't mean that you should disable it on yours. It's just a feature that you can have. So right here, we have this speaker. In fact, we have WP Crafter speaking in a few days. I'm going to go ahead and like this right here. I'm going to go ahead and put a ha-ha. And right here, we can also report stuff. So if you get people, that are being aggressive on your site or something like that, you can report them. You can also give them the ban hammer. You can ban them. And I have banned 2 people on my website already because you guys know how it is. It's WordPress. So you're going to get people who are saying, hey, buy this 10,000 traffic a day for $2, whatever. It's a scam, So right here, this is great. And right here, I can even post a GIF right here. So maybe I should post a GIF instead. What should I do here? Oh, we got the dog. Well, that wouldn't make much sense. If she's talking about WordPress speakers, I don't want to put a dog drinking. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got this happy guy. Actually, no, we don't like that guy. That guy's no, I don't like him. I used to like him, but I don't like him no more. Let's go through over here. More money. I don't know which one. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. We got this girl. All right, so we can post that. We can also reply to people's comments. As a moderator, I can edit their comments. If they wrote something inappropriate, I can delete the comments. I have full power as an admin, so whatever I want to do on the site, I can do it. So, and also I actually have WooCommerce integrated, but we'll talk more about that in a little bit. I am actually giving out free layouts as well on my website. So that's another thing that you can have, but that's a pro feature. But that's basically what you can do. Oh yeah, also the blog post. So you can also have a community blog post. And this actually used to be a paid feature, but they actually added this in as a free, in the free version. So here you can kind of see that we have different blog posts, and the community itself, they can actually submit blog posts. So these right here are all from the community submitting blog posts on the website. So you have I call it a community blog, which is really cool, right? Also, we have points. So right here you can see I have WP points, and with those WP points, you can go ahead and purchase. I have layouts, I have Divi layouts, I have Elementor layouts, and we are adding more all the time. So with these points, you can actively do stuff. So if you are running something, you know, if people comment, if they like anything on your social networking website, they can get points, and with those points, they can purchase stuff. So I thought that was really cool. Also, one of the most important things is probably groups. We have groups on this website, and we have a lot of groups. So right here, this group already has almost 300 members. That's my group right there, and the list goes on. So we have a lot of different groups, and we're, you know, even myself, this kind of project, it's like a learning curve. You have to kind of, you know, trial and error kind of thing. So it does take time to learn because, you know, there's options for everything. So if you want people to submit groups, you know, open groups, closed groups, there's even secret groups. There's a lot of different type of things you can go with this plugin. All right, so we talked about the free one. Now let's talk about the actual features in the Peepso Ultimate Bundle. So with the free stuff, you can simply still do everything that you want to do, even with BuddyPress and BBPress. It would work even better than BBPress and BuddyPress because I just find the interface is so much cleaner. I mean, it's like going from something like this to something. Oh, let's go to check out their demo. We'll give you their demo right here. This is their demo. I mean, let's look at the front end demo right here. So when we compare something like this over here to something like this right here, I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's just simply a no-brainer that this is a beautiful platform, and I think people out there should be using it way more. Now let's go ahead and talk about the actual cost and everything else inside of this plugin. So right here, I'm gonna go to, let's go back over here, pricing. Now I'm gonna click right here and click on see all plugins. So I wanna show you the a la carte option. Now, what they do is basically saying if all these are plugins right here, so you better have a good host. Now, I recommend SiteGround. I mean, this is being hosted on SiteGround as well, and it runs perfectly. It's not slow at all. Now, what they do is saying if you want to have the ability for people to submit photos on your site, there's a plugin for that. There's also a plugin for audio and video. There's also a plugin for chat. So I have all these right here. In fact, if you go to my website, people can actually upload, you know, videos, audio. They can upload pretty much everything they want to do because I have all of these enabled. Right here, we also have groups and polls. These are extras right here. So email digest, which is what I have, and that sends out an email to all your users, and it basically lets them know what's trending, what's going on your website, so they want to come back every single month. User limits. This will basically limit the amount of control users have on your websites. VIP, word filter, auto friends, which is what I have. So anyone that joins WP Friends is actually automatically a friend on my website. And then you have integrations right here. Now, the really cool one I want to talk about is the monetization. So if you want to know how to monetize your website, there's various ways. Now, there's WooCommerce, which you can basically build a community and start selling stuff on your website. Or you can run advertisements on your website, which I actually really like. I really like it. In fact, let's go ahead. Right here, I have an ad, and if I refresh the page, there's I think it's a 33% chance another ad will show. Yeah, so there's SiteGround. So you see how it rotates the ads, and it also gives you impressions and clicks on how many times people have actually seen that. In fact, I'll go ahead and just give you an example. I'll go ahead and show you all the back end of that because I thought that was a really cool feature they added. So if you want to monetize your plugin or websites, you can do that with the Peepso plugin, and I really do like their ads. I think it's really cool and creative. Also, they have the paid membership pro. So if you want to have like a paid community where, you know, there's people who like to have those online courses, and with those online courses, they might want to sell something on it. You can have that as well. They also have LearnDash as well. So you can have paid online courses, very similar to Udemy, and also the advanced ads, which is like a Facebook ad style. So on like the actual front end, it'll display a sponsored post. So right here, I'm gonna go to advanced ads and click on ads. I should actually update the plugin. Now you see right here how we have impressions, clicks. So in the past few days right here, we've had around 4,900 impressions, 23 clicks, and it rotates them all. So I really think that's a cool feature they've added. So if you want to monetize your website, this is a great way. In fact, if you add Google AdSense on that section right there, you'll make probably way more money because you'll get paid for the impressions as well. So that's a really cool idea if you want to monetize your platform. So these are basically all of the plugins that you can have for your sites. Now, you can actually get all of them for $250, and I do have a coupon code. I think I was talking to the owner, and I think the coupon code will be WP Friends. It'll give you 20% off the bundle. So if you want to go ahead and take advantage of that, you guys can actually enter that in. There is a link below to purchase it, and the coupon code will be below. But one more thing I want to talk about before I go is they actually created the Peepso theme. Now, the Peepso theme works perfectly. I mean, it literally works 100% well with the actual plugin, and it basically creates, I'll show you what it does. So I tried to use Divi for this the first time, and it just didn't work out so well. It kind of looked a little messy. It didn't really look the best. Now with the theme right here, it gives you these options right here. It gives you the search bar, the menu right here, and it basically displays everything how you want to display. Now also, when you want to go ahead and make a new page, it actually lets you know what kind of template that you want to use for your website. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to new page, and I'm gonna show you the actual page. So there's 3 different styles on it. My site is running a little slow, and it's probably because I haven't updated anything in a while. So I'm kind of nervous to update it because it kind of messes up sometimes. So, but right here under the Gecko options right here, there's a full width layout, a full width header, and a builder friendly template as well. You can also choose to hide the sidebars, etc. Now the reason why that's good is because maybe on every single page, you don't want it to look like the actual, you don't want it to look the same for everything. And another really cool thing that I do like about what they've added in the theme is they have the login page. Now the login page right here, you can see it's just really clean. And in fact, they give you ideas, and they actually show you how to actually create this same exact login page. And I have something very similar to that. And then when you're using this plugin, you're gonna find out that you wanna do something very customizable. And in that case, you might wanna get a developer, but you don't really need a developer with this if you want to just go with just the basic, foundation of it. But I just found that this plugin was probably the best solution for creating a social networking website. I mean, I've created it. I've actually, I did it from scratch. Right here, I have questions. We have another forum. We have another blog post. We even have classified ads as well. So there's just so much you can do with this plugin. And I just felt that the company out there deserves a little more recognition because, I actually had to kind of like research and Google it. But once I found this company, I was thinking, hey man, this is a really good plugin. So if you are interested in making a social networking website with WordPress, I highly recommend the Peepso plugin. Go ahead and check it out. They also have I think it's like a 30-day money back guarantee as well for most of their products. Their theme is a newer theme, but it recently just came out of beta. It says beta, but by the time you watch this video, it's going to be out of beta, so it'll be 100% optimal as well. So make sure to check out wpfriends.com if you want to actually see this specific plugin and theme in action. I'm actually using it, and you can see for yourself. We can pin posts. I mean, there's so much you can do with this. In fact, I'll be having a full tutorial on this specific plugin and theme probably in maybe 2 weeks. So if you're watching this in a month from now, go ahead and check in the description, and there will be a full tutorial on how to make this same exact website in the description below. So make sure to like this video, make sure to check out peepso.com, and I will see you all in the next video.